Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Girl Garden. This imaginative play concept invites you to create a whimsical world right in your home. It's all about fostering creativity and storytelling, allowing children to design their own magical space. We'll explore how to use simple materials to bring this enchanting garden to life, encouraging hours of delightful, open-ended play. To set up your girl garden, first pick a special spot, perhaps a quiet corner or a small table. Next, gather soft materials like green scarves for grass or colorful fabric scraps for blooming flowers. Introduce small dolls or animal figures to be the garden's residents. You can also incorporate natural items like smooth pebbles or dried leaves to enhance the outdoor feel. Once your garden is set, the real fun begins. Encourage storytelling by inventing adventures for your garden's tiny residents. You can rearrange the fabric flowers, host a miniature tea party for your dolls, or even pretend the garden is experiencing different seasons. This open-ended play allows for endless scenarios and imaginative exploration. To keep the girl garden exciting, regularly introduce new elements or characters. You might build a tiny fairy house from a small box or create a shimmering pond with blue fabric. Encourage drawing pictures of new garden features or inhabitants. Sharing your garden stories with others can also spark new ideas and extend the imaginative play even further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.